I can't believe it, Kelly. Last day in Nepal. It's been an amazing journey. Hiking, food, we've really loved it. Shopping.
Yeah.
But today's really all about housekeeping. We got a few things to get done in Nepal. We're gonna show you what it looks like just to kind of get the things done that need to get done. We need to pick up a few extra passport photos.
Yep, we need to get some treats
Yep.
for the road,
Absolutely,
for the
some
airplane.
snacks.
You need a shave.
I need a shave. Yeah, Forrest.
Doggy.
Oh, you see a dog? There's a dog, street dog.
Yeah. So we need food, photos,
Shave, maybe a couple t-shirts for the kids, just little
Yeah.
things like that. So we're gonna walk around the Thamel area and just see what we can get done. I do have a lead via Google Maps on a photo sorter for the passport photos. I think it's actually just called GoPro.
Yeah.
So we'll check it out. It's right down this street. So let's head that way now, get everything done, and take you along with us to show you what it looks like to do housekeeping.
One full day in Kathmandu.
All right, I can see the shop. It's got a little GoPro sign. I think that's got to be it. So it looks like, yeah, so they got the little GoPro sign, 10-minute Visa photos. Yeah, this is the right spot. Looks like the man's in there with another person doing a camera, so we'll just wait our turn. Hello, sir.
Okay.
Do you do passport photos here?
Yes, I do.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Dhruva.
Druba.
Yes.
Pleasure. And how much cost for photos for all five people?
5 pictures, 1200 is okay.
Okay, sounds good. How many photos?
This it's 4 photos.
4 photos each times the 5.
5, yes.
Okay, sounds good.
That will be 1200 rupees for you.
1,200. Okay, good. A fair price from Druba. So this may I see is this is the curtain.
Yes, yes.
So I got the white background. Druba will get it done for us. Okay, maybe I'll go first, Druba. Is okay?
No.
All right, cool. Okay, so guys, we'll just go in order. Is that okay?
Sounds
All right,
good.
sounds good. Kind of a tight shot, but Druba has all the camera needs.
And I
For you.
have also GoPro accessories also.
What's oh, you have the GoPro brand?
Accessories, yes.
Original?
What is what you like.
I see. Original copy. Good. Thank you, sir. You threw in a few extras.
Yes.
Yeah, very nice. So instead of 4, I think we got 6 each. So we have a few extra spare copies. And again, this is just in case we need anything as we travel on to Pakistan and India. If we need passport size photos, we just have them as a backup. Of course, we have all the visas pre-filled out for all those countries. So I don't think we'll actually need them, but it's nice to have them as a backup if needed. And for 1,200 for the 6 photos each, pretty good. So up next, Kelly, you need some sunglasses. So there's about a dozen sunglass gear stores right on this trip, but let's just see what we can get you in here.
Okay.
Hello, namaste. Thank you. Oh, it's a beautiful store. Okay, so this might be a good spot for sunglasses. Here's the selection, Kelly. Let me know if you like them or if we want to keep shopping elsewhere, but
Okay.
again, there's just a bunch of you know, Oakleys, copy. These copy?
Mama.
Yeah, better.
Namaste.
Mommy.
What do you see, buddy?
This is fatal
Cedar
fan.
wants me to try these
Oh,
ones.
the man?
Mama,
Ooh,
just
those
show
look pretty
me
good.
on your cheek.
And they're polarized.
Polarized.
Mommy,
I can see an image of a fish
Oh.
here, and I can see an
Here,
image.
let me see.
See if you can do it.
Okay, so you'll notice no camels.
Mommy,
And now, well, that does not work on the camera, but trust me, there are camels there. So proof that they are legit polarized.
I like
Yes.
these ones.
Yes.
Well, you have
I
sunglasses,
actually
little
like
lady.
these a lot, so
Yeah.
Okay,
I might get these.
those.
I'm gonna try a couple other ones.
Okay, here, put it. Here, I'll hold. Can we hold these maybe as maybe we get?
Mommy,
But maybe you try. Yeah, find the ones you want. Well, they have some like legit. Like those look like glacier goggles.
Those look like good ones.
Yeah. So again, a nice store. What's the name of your store?
Ocean trekking gear.
Ocean Trekking.
Gear.
Girl. Okay, let me go outside. Is there a sign? No sign.
We have card.
Okay, yeah, we'll take card. So while Kelly's trying on glasses.
There you go, buddy. Go do whatever you do. 'Cause you're-
Gear. Okay, so we are at Ocean Trekking Gear. Okay, and again, everyone seems real nice. Well, when it comes to price, we'll see a good price, yeah? The best price. All right, so we'll continue picking out, but again, a huge, hi sir, thank you, namaste. So you've got all types of great gear and actually shoes, like good quality looking shoes. Sliders. Of course, while you're shopping, spending your last day in Nepal, you gotta get one of the bubum cha. It's the bubble tea, basically. So it looks like strawberry, Oreo. What do you think of Granite?
Oreo cake.
Oreo cake for sure? No hesitation?
Yep.
Cedar, what about you?
I want Oreo, but I also want the ice cream.
Ooh, tough choice. What's it gonna be?
I'm gonna eat me right
Now remember, the bubble tea's got those little things on the bottom, and that's just a soft serve in a cone. Do you have a preference? Oreo comes in a cup, ice cream in a cone.
Ice cream.
Ice cream, do you want the Oreo or do you want something different? Granite's going Oreo.
Ice cream.
Okay, all right. Cal, you gonna have anything?
I'm
kinda full.
I'm kind of full. I'm looking over to see this.
Oh, they got the juices. Coffee?
I don't know if there's coffee white.
Lots of good choices. Let's see what we can come up with here in a second.
Okay.
Granite, what do you want to order, bud?
Oreo cake bubble tea.
You want Oreo cake momos?
Oreo cake bubble tea. And how much is that?
290.
$2.90. Okay, that'll be it. So we've got
290 plus. It was 510.
$5.19. Okay, $5.19. $5.90.
10.
5.10.
Yeah.
I got it. Thanks. Okay, so $5.10 for our big old ice creams. Yummy. Delicious. All right. Okay, now that Forrest fell asleep on the chair, Kelly, you doing good?
Doing good.
All right, just wrapping up some final details on the trip.
Yep. Just working on the Google Doc.
Cool. Okay, so while they're doing that, let's check in with the kids. I'll probably go get my shave now, just since, that's happening. And let's see what Granite and Cedar are up to. We have rooms right across the hall, which is very convenient. How's it going?
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
I'm watching.
What are you watching, Cedar?
I'm watching Try Not to Laugh videos.
Try not to laugh videos? Okay. Granite, what do you got?
SSND.
What is it?
SSND.
What's that?
A video game player.
Video game player? Cool. All right. Well, everyone seems fairly content. You guys want to go with me to get my shave?
No, I'm fine.
You don't want to come with me?
No.
Cedar? Granite?
No.
All right. I guess it's just me then. I'll fly solo. Okay, kids, enjoy. Peace out.
Peace out.
All right. So they're just going to chill, obviously. I'm going to shut their door. And I'll be on my way. All right, it is haircut time. And just to give you reference of where I am, this is the shop right here. It is the Modern Hairdress, ladies and gents, just opposite the fish market. And this is the man, haircut, or shave. Yeah, a little trim. Yeah. Leave the beard, just like kind of a trim here. Yeah, shave, yeah. Yeah. How much? No cut.
No cut.
No cut.
Only one.
Yeah.
150 rupees.
Okay.
Bike, no shaving.
No shave.
150.
Okay, 150 rupees for the shave. All right, now let's see. So I got the barber chair here. All right, and this will be my first experience here in Nepal with the shave. Perfect. And this is a pretty busy area. You have lots of customers?
Yeah.
Lots of customers? Yeah. All right. Just a small shop, 3 chairs. And we'll see how we do. All right, looks like it's a lotion, shave. Pretty common on these experiences that I've noticed kind of in Dubai and Indonesia, that they often will sort of give you that full lotion, a bit of a massage, head, shoulder massage. We'll see how this one goes here in Nepal. Some kind of lubricant there.
What country?
America.
America.
Yeah.
It's a good country.
Second time in Nepal.
Second time.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. So that is basically a nice close shave here in Nepal. 150 rupiah. Very nice deal. I got the shave, kind of face massage. It felt really good. Let's settle up here with sir and kind of conclude this moment here at the barber shop. Of course, we're not going to pay just 150. No way. That was too good a service. Thank you, sir. Finished. You kid. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Good cut. Looks good. All right, and that again is a look. This is the man right here. This guy, and he'll treat you right.
All right, so we are checking off our list of things to do in Kathmandu, and we are at the Yakro Mart again because this time we need snacks for our flight to Pakistan, right?
And we might have a dog waiting for us.
Yes, we found a friend here on the street corner. All right, let's go down and see what kind of snacks we can find for the airport. Namaste, we're back. It's okay if we video? Okay. Hello, namaste. Each of you can have something sweet and something salty.
Chips.
You want those?
I'm gonna have them for the airplane, maybe.
Yeah. So that's the kind you want?
Okay, guys. There's some more stuff here. Which means it has more things. Or chips in it.
Oh, yeah, basket. Yeah, do you want to carry the basket, Cedar?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this taste like? What does the sauce taste like?
Well, it says it's chili with tangy lemon flavor.
I'll take that.
You want that one? Can we grab a jalapeno one for Dad and I?
Ooh, first can have the Oreos.
All right, success. We have hit our limit, so we used our credit card, and we have so much food for the airplane, right, Cedar?
Yeah. We
Okay.
got gum.
You have gum?
Yep.
And what else do we have?
Chips.
Chips, and what else do we have?
Dairy milks.
Which is chocolate. So we hit all the main important stuff. All right, well, we will see you later. Thank you so much. Yay! All right. We'll come back next time we're in Kathmandu.
Bye.
You're welcome. Bye. Thank you. Granite, are you happy about what we got?
Yep.
Yeah.
Are you excited to dig in?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a couple snacks for the room for tonight. We're gonna order momos from the hotel, and we're just gonna kind of relax and charge all of our devices and get ready for a whole day of travel tomorrow.
Actually, first we're gonna play them, and then charge them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then eat our foods.
Yeah.
And then go to bed.
Yeah, we have a whole plan for tonight.
And one of the last things that you really have to take care of when you're in Kathmandu is the laundry. So you'll come across all little shops like this, little grocery shops. They have these 100 rupiah per kilo signs. We dropped off 9 kg of laundry from our trek in Longtong, and it's basically a 24-hour service. Drop it off one day, pick it up the next day for the 100 rupiah per kg. Now they do have express services, but that price goes up 150, 200 per kg, something like that. But either way, we did not need that. Hello, back with the laundry. Thank you. So 900 rupiah for 9 kg of laundry. Let's see. Yeah, I can see our bag there. All right. Thank you so much. Perfect. Okay, so we got our 2 huge bags of laundry back. Okay, thank you so much. Again, best deal in town. Chips, drinks, the best stop here. Thank you so much. All right, everyone. What a great day we had in Kathmandu, running around getting our last minute, I guess you call them like checklist done before we head to Islamabad in Pakistan. So guys, just out of curiosity, kind of your favorite highlights could be from today or your general Nepal experience. Cedar, go ahead, as an 8-year-old.
My favorite part was meeting the team and hiking the huge mountain.
That was awesome.
Yeah,
so
caves and
much
reeds.
hiking.
Nice
Yeah, that was
job,
good.
girl.
That was a good peak.
Yeah.
First 14,000 footer, by the way. Woohoo. All right, Kel, what about you?
I agree with Cedar, but I also have enjoyed trying all the Nepali food.
Oh yeah.
So amazing, and just having dal bhat or nidu was great.
Cool, cool. Great. What about you? Big takeaway from kind of 10-year-old perspective.
Always be on the lookout for animals because we got lucky seeing that baby deer.
Yes.
And I also heard that there can be red pandas, snow leopards, and black bears.
Yes. That's definitely on the bucket list to see.
Yeah.
Cool. And Forrest, how's your food?
Good.
Good. You got your fried egg?
Yeah.
Fried egg for dinner? Excellent. Yeah, so again, to kind of go full circle and end the journey with at least some veggie momos, we got some chicken as well. Yeah, what a journey. So next time we see you, I believe we'll be in an airport on our way from Kathmandu to Islamabad. So we will see you then in the next episode.